In this video, I'll show you how to remove domain from Shopify. So now let's say you have GoDaddy or hosting a domain and you want to remove it. So you can do it by going to settings in bottom left corner. From here, you want to choose domains. And then you will see all your domains. So this primary domain is my hosting a domain. And let's say you want to remove it, but if you click on it, there is no option to remove this domain. There is only view. You need to change a domain type. So if you click on change domain type over here, you need to set this domain to redirecting domain. Then click on change domain type. And then you will have option here, domain settings, and you can delete the domain. Now your primary domain will be the default myshopify.com domain from Shopify. So you can click on domain settings, then delete domain. Then you need to confirm again you want to delete it. So click on delete domain again. And now as you can see, your domain is no longer here. So that means your domain was deleted. And your Shopify default domain is primary. So this is how you can delete your domain from Shopify. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.